This will be a video on how to change out your steering wheel on an E90 3 Series or an E82 1 Series. So you're going to need your new steering wheel, flathead screwdriver, 10mm ratchet, and 16mm, preferably on an impact. First thing you have to do is unlock the car. Confirm that it's completely unlocked before you start any of this. Next thing you want to do is come to the trunk area, pop your trunk, and disconnect your battery. So just come here, hit that bolt with a 10mm, loosen it, and pop the whole terminal off the ground. Once you have that bolt loose, you should be able to pull the terminal right off. And what I like to do for extra safety is just once you pop it off, put it on top of a microfiber or any towel for that matter. So as you can see, I have the terminal off. As you can see, I have the terminal laying on that towel just to prevent any contacts from being made. And also make sure you leave the trunk open. You don't want to get locked out of the trunk, so leave that open. Now the next step is to pop the airbag off. So I wanted to note one thing. I've actually never done this on a non-sport wheel, but on the non-sport wheel as opposed to the sport, you have to actually put this, you have to get a smaller screwdriver first of all. Can't be a flathead, and you got to put it directly up between the airbag and the back plate, which I'll show you in just a second. And when you put this directly up, you'll be aiming for this little clip. So I don't know if it was just my first time or what, but I found this extremely difficult. But I got it out now. So just to visualize it, you put this directly up, and then you kind of want to give it some pressure towards you so that you're against this plate. You'll feel it bottom out like that, and then you know you'll be on the clip, and you just push it to the side and it'll unhook the airbag. So start straight, so you're to the left of the hook, go up, push it in. Once you get that done, you want to just push this down, disconnect that, and your airbag should fall right out. Now we have to unplug this for the steering wheel buttons, and then we can hit this with our 16mm impact. So let me get back to you in one moment. So once you get this unplugged and you've hit this with your impact, you don't want to take it out all the way. You want to leave it so there's just a little bit of gap. That way you can yank the steering wheel as hard as you can and it won't hit you in the face. And once you do that, which I've already done, steering wheel should come loose, and you can loosen this all the way and remove your steering wheel. Now what I've just noticed is my airbag harness plug from my sport wheel has this little notch. Now what I'm thinking is I may just grind it off because the plug is essentially identical other than that. So what I just did was I took a razor blade and I just sliced off that little notch, and hopefully we're all good. Hope this doesn't go south. So wish me luck. I'm just gonna plug it in now, and these go to the airbag, and we'll power up the car and see what happens. I got my sport wheel, which I wrapped in Alcantara myself. I've got it all in. I'm gonna go reconnect the battery, and hopefully the airbag doesn't explode. All right, just get the battery reconnected. Actually, no airbag codes. Horn works. So it seems like that was pretty successful. Cool.